Howdy folks, and welcome to Highlights. Have you ever dreamed of making an RPG game with unique characters and intricate handcrafted worlds? Or had a story stuck in your head for years? Well, this might be the game for you. RPG in a Box was designed by Justin Arnold using the Godot engine. I had no background in any coding when I first bought the software through Steam, and I really appreciated the shortcuts that RPG in a Box makes to script writing and other functions. It makes learning easier and a lot more visual. RPG in a Box has a lot of options for you to play around with. Let's start with the Voxel Editor. Here we can create anything, from characters to objects to the tiles that they stand on. This was so much fun to do. Designing different people or creatures, animating them, and then putting them out in the world felt so rewarding. You can also create light sources within objects, making dimly lit windows or eerie corridors a reality. Even though voxels aren't the most detailed graphically, you can really add your own art style to the game. Sometimes I would spend 3 minutes in the Voxel Editor working quickly on a new ground tile, or 3 hours crafting a futuristic speed racer car with animations. I really enjoyed how open it felt, and it's your imagination that's the ceiling. The map editor has a lot of great things as well. You not only build your own tiles, but you design the pathing the player goes on, interactions with objects, and characters. You truly build the world you want. With some nifty out-of-the-box thinking, you can make some really well-designed maps. Another amazing part about this game is the community. There were so many people on Discord that spent time helping me at the start, and I would not be where I am with my project without them. There's also a lot of videos on YouTube, and definitely check out Slayer's tutorial YouTube channel, linked down below. Please always be respectful to people that help you out on their time, and remember to be patient. You can also learn from other people's questions on the help forum, see other people's designs in games, and in general talk about anything game making related. The dialogue editor is nice and has some cool functions. Being able to do branching conditional dialogue trees was complex but fun, and understanding how to do cutscenes was really neat. The UI editor also has some great things. What I loved the most was the widgets, which you could turn into almost anything. You can add images, make graphs, items, inventory, you name it, in a highly customizable way. If you want to create artwork in your game, you can make a voxel object that looks like a painting. Make a script so when the player interacts with it, it opens a widget displaying whatever art you want. This was really useful in world building. Effects keep getting better. When I first started using the software, I believe it was only rain and fire. And now you have these cool portals and a lot of different ways to change how the effects present themselves in the map. You can create your own battle maps, parameters, and enemies, all with their own stats and item drops. Stats have also been revamped, and with the addition of customizable stats, really, anything is possible. That's also something I want to mention. RPG in a Box gets lots of updates. There were consecutive days where I saw updates that really helped out my game's progression or my own understanding or use of the software. I really appreciate all the hard work and effort that went and still goes into this project. Do you want to create that video game? That story that's been stuck inside your head for years? RPG in a Box might be a great way of making that dream a tangible reality. Thank you so much for watching. This is really close to my heart. I love this software. I'm not getting paid to promote it. I just think it allows people to be artistic and expressive and has really opened a new world for me. As always, see you next time.